Okay, good afternoon all. Yesterday we have seen about the antenatal care, that abdominal examination. For this, we said that during abdominal examination, we should check the many factors, that is the during palpation, that is lie, lateral palpation, fundal palpation, pelvic palpation. These all palpations are there. In that we will check the how the people are how the not the fetus is lying inside the intrauterus. Okay, then we can say that first we should see the lie. That lie refers that is the relationship of the longitudinal axis of the fetus to the long axis of the maternal spine. Lie, how the head to the buttocks, that is the long axis, how the long axis the fetus lies, that is the lie we are saying. If it is longitudinal or if it is transverse or oblique, that there is mainly three types of lie: vertical or longitudinal, 99 point, that is the normal lie. Then transverse, oblique, that's the other types. Then lie longitudinal, when long axis of the fetus corresponds to the long axis of the mother. That is the cephalic, that is the head, and the breech presentation, that is the head is in the lower pole and breech is in the frontal region. Then transverse, when the long axis of the fetus perpendicular 90 degree, that is long axis of the mother, in shoulder presentation. Oblique, when the long axis of the fetus crosses the maternal long axis obliquely at an angle other than right angle. Then presentation, the part, presentation means which part that lies, which occupies the lower pole of the uterus, birth canal, maternal pelvis, is called the presentation of the fetus. It's a cephalic presentation, 96.5%, breech presentation or podalic, shoulder presentation, compound presentation. Then presentation, cephalic presentation, when the fetal head occupies the lower segment of the uterus, is called a cephalic presentation, that is fetus head. You see, depending upon the degree of flexion or extension, cephalic presentation may be vertex presentation, brow presentation, face presentation. You can see face, brow, breech, shoulder. These are the presentations, abnormal presentations. Then presentation according to vertex, it is the quadrangular area bounded anteriorly by the brecma, anterior fontanelle and coronal sutures, beginning by the lambda, posterior fontanelle, and the lumboidal sutures laterally, line passing through the parietal eminences. These sutures, these fontanelles, I know that you know about this one, anterior fontanelle, posterior fontanelle. These sutures, you may study this fetal skull. While you are studying the fetal skull, you will study the sutures. Okay, brow, it is an area bounded on one side by the anterior fontanelle and the coronal sutures, and on the other side by root of the nose, supraorbital ridges either side. Face, it is an area bounded on one side by the root of the nose and the supraorbital ridges, and on the other by chin junction. But then this, see the anterior fontanelle, posterior, then sutures, coronal suture, frontal suture, sagittal suture. These are the sutures. Presentation, breech presentation or podalic, when buttocks or fetal occupies the lower segment of the uterus, it is called a breech presentation. Types of breech: full, complete, flexed, incomplete, frank breech, arms flexed but legs extended straight up overhead, footling breech, one of both feet extended or downward and may exit the birth canal first. Then presentation, you see shoulder presentation, that is the transverse lie, the baby is lying transversely. Then presentation, that is the shoulder is the presenting part, that is occupying. The shoulder baby comes in the lower segment of the uterus, it is called a shoulder presentation. Then coming to the denominator, it is the arbitrary fixed bony point at the presenting part, which come in relation with the various quadrants of the maternal pelvis. Occiput, sacrum, mentum, frontal. You can see these are the That is, the denominator is the arbitrary fixed bony point at the present here. ഏത് ബോണി പാർട്ടാണ്, അതായത് ഓസിപ്പുട്ടായിരിക്കാം, സേക്രമായിരിക്കാം, മെൻഡമായിരിക്കാം, ഫ്രണ്ടൽ, ഈ പറയുന്നതിൽ ഏത് ബോണി പാർട്ടാണ്, നമ്മുടെ ബോൺസ് പഠിക്കുന്ന ആ ബോൺസിൽ ഏത് ബോണി പാർട്ടാണോ ആ പ്രസൻറ്റിങ് പാർട്ടിൽ ടച്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അത് വേരിയസ് ക്വാഡ്രൻസ്, ഓരോ ക്വാഡ്രൻസ് ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ദെൻ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ പ്രസൻറ്റേഷൻ, വെർട്ടെക്സ്, ബ്രോ, ഫേസ്, ബ്രീച്ച്, പ്രസൻറ്റേഷൻ, ഓരോ പ്രസൻറ്റേഷൻ. ദെൻ ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ്, ഫ്ലെക്സ്ഡ്, വെർട്ടെക്സ് ആണ് ഫുള്ളി ഫ്ലെക്സ്ഡ്. ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ഈസ് ഓസിപ്പുട്ട്. ദെൻ ബ്രോ, ഡിഫ്ലെക്സ്ഡ്, ഫ്രണ്ടൽ. ഫേസ്, എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡഡ്, മെൻഡം. Breech, sacrum. Shoulder, acromion. It is the shoulder, that acromion process, that is the scapula. Then lie, longitudinal lie. This is longitudinal lie. Presentation, breech. Breech presentation ആണ്. Longitudinal lie ആണ്. breech ആണ്. കണ്ടോ, ഹെഡ് ആണ് ഡൗൺ വരേണ്ടത്. സെഫാലിക് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞാൽ വെർട്ടെക്സ്, സെഫാലിക് ഓർ വെർട്ടെക്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇവിടെ എന്താണ്, ബ്രീച്ച് ആണ്. ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ സേക്രം. കണ്ടോ, സേക്രം ഇസ് ദ ടച്ചിങ് ആ പ്രസൻറ്റിങ് പാർട്ടിൽ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ദെൻ ലൈ, ട്രാൻസ്വേഴ്സ് പ്രസൻറ്റേഷൻ, കണ്ടോ ഷോൾഡറാണ്, അക്രോമിയൻ. ദെൻ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ അക്രോമിയൻ. പൊസിഷൻ, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് ഓഫ് ദ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ടു ദ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ക്വാഡ്രൻസ് ഓഫ് ദ മെറ്റേണൽ പെൽവിസ്. ദ പെൽവിസ് is divided in the equal segments 45 degree, that is divided in 8 parts. And is a that is LOA, DOP, DOA, LOA, ROA, LOT, ROT, LOP, ROP. That is the left occipito anterior, right occipito anterior, left occipito transverse, right occipito transverse, left occipito posterior, right occipito posterior. That is, and then descent of the nerve, that is the occipito anterior posterior. That is. Then in vertex presentation, here you can see different how the 8 positions. In vertex presentation, 8 position, that is right occipitum, occipito anterior, left occipito anterior, then right occipito, left occipito, right occipito. This you can see the images. Face presentation also, mendo anterior, right to left direct, mendo posterior, left. That is the left mendo anterior. You see how the mendum is the touching part. Right mendo posterior. In breech, sacro anterior, right left posterior, right left. Engagement, how the engaged, the head is engaged, we can say. Engagement means the maximum transverse diameter the presenting part passes to the pelvic prim. ഈ pelvic primൽ നിന്ന് ഹെഡ് താഴോട്ടിറങ്ങി അങ്ങോട്ടിറങ്ങി എന്തുമാത്രം പാട്ട് ഇതായിരിക്കുന്നു. ഫോർ ഹെഡ് ബൈപരേറ്റൽ ഡയമീറ്റർ, ഫോർ ബ്രീച്ച് ബൈട്രൊക്കാൻഡിക് ഡയമീറ്റർ. ബൈപരേറ്റൽ, സി ബൈപരേറ്റൽ ഇമേർജ് ഡൗൺവേർഡ്സ്. This is usually done by dividing the head into fifths. If the head is still palpable abdominally, it is 2/5 or less engaged. Then head is mobile above the symphysis pubis 5/5. Then head is accommodates full width of 5 fingers above the symphysis pubis. Then head 2/5 above the symphysis pubis. Head accommodates 2 fingers above the symphysis. This I will teach while we are teaching abdominal palpation examination. We are teaching. At that time, I will clearly explain you. Thank you.